Hello, welcome to Zomi National Television. My name is Christine Jing. Zomi Political Coordination Committee, Zomi Revolutionary Army, Eastern Command. There was a statement released on May 3rd of 2024 according to the condemnation of terrorist attacks by CNF-CNA. It is with grave concern that we address the situation wherein Chin National Front Army and its cohorts seeking to assert their assimilation policy, political dominance, territorial occupation, and control over strategic trade routes have resorted to heinous acts of armed violence and mobilization against the Zomi in northern Chin state of Myanmar. These joint militias have encroached and set up camps in the Zomi Revolutionary Army Eastern Command, operational areas under the guise and flimsy pretext of campaigning against the junta. Such terrorist attacks driven by ulterior motives of self-interest not only exploited the people but also undermined our joint effort to end the oppressive junta regime. The pursuit of any legitimate cause must never come at the expense of innocent lives or basic human decency. It is imperative to emphasize the targeting of Zomi territory, which is beyond the operational areas of CNF and CNA, is not only morally reprehensible but also fundamentally counterproductive to the noble causing of restoring federal democratic governance. Such provocative actions only preserve to deepen the wounds inflicted by both the oppressive junta regime and CNF and CNA. While we, the Zomi Political Coordination Committee of ZRA, remain committed to the pursuit of peaceful and diplomatic means to address grievances and resolve conflicts, we will not hesitate to defend ourselves against any form of aggression or persecution. The safety and security of our people are paramount, and we will spare no effort in ensuring their protection and warfare. The ZPCC acknowledges the aspiration of the Chin Land Council and its supporters of their self-governance and auto-known as we do ours. We wish to emphasize that our organization does not share the same vision of a dictatorial Chin Land government under the leadership of CNF-CNA. The ZPCC firmly believes in the importance of inclusivity, dialogue, and conscience building in the pursuit of political solutions and the establishment of democratic governance structure that reflected the diverse interests and aspirations of all ethnic communities in the region. Any meaningful and suitable solution to the long-standing issues facing our region must be based on principles of equality, justice, and mutual respect for the rights and identities of all ethnic groups. In conclusion, the ZPCC with the ZRA stands firm in its resolve to protect and safeguard the lives and well-being of all Zomi civilians. We categorically denounce any attempts to intimidate, harm, oppress, or terrorize our community and territory. And we will not hesitate to take decisive action to defend our people from further aggression. Signing off, Zomi Political Coordination Committee, ZRA, Zomi Revolutionary Army, Eastern Command. Camp Mount Elijah, Zogam, Myanmar. This is Christine Jin. Thank you.